Greetings to all. Welcome to Easy Excel Dashboard Series. This video demonstrates how to create a chart with shortcut keys. In Excel we can create a chart quickly with a few keystrokes. The chart then could be changed to other type, or continue working with it. So let's begin. Select the data. Press Alt and F1 keys simultaneously. Excel will create the chart instantly. Now select non-adjacent ranges in the data. Press Alt and F1 keys. The default chart is created instantly. In our next video, we will see how to create different charts with Excel's menu options